Welcome to a fascinating visual journey, exploring 10 pencil drawing art styles produced by the brilliant AI artist Midjourney. I'm your guide on this creative expedition into graphite realms. In this video, we'll examine masterpieces from art history, and then see Midjourney digitally recreate similar pencil-drawn scenes before our very eyes. From photorealism to abstraction, observe firsthand as Midjourney channels artistic techniques spanning centuries. We begin with realism, aiming to accurately capture every detail, much like Andrew Loomis's subtle yet lifelike pencil portraits. Then we move into hyperrealism, an extreme form of realism mimicking photography itself. Next is impressionism, using loose, visible strokes to evoke a fleeting moment, similar to Van Gogh's emotive landscapes. This leads to expressionism, distorting reality to convey raw emotion, seen in Sheila's contorted figures. Shifting to abstraction, we reduce pencil drawings to shapes and lines inspired by Saul LeWitt's minimalist aesthetic. Then surrealism blends realism with dreamlike symbolism, reminiscent of Dali's melting watches. Cubism comes next, fracturing 3D forms into 2D facets, much like Picasso's geometric women. After minimalism pairs drawing down with faint graphite on blank space per Agnes Martin, we end with photorealism, replicating photographs with graphite as Paul Cadden does. And finally, gestural captures motion through dynamic strokes as Laurie Lipton does with dancers. Join me on this pencil-powered voyage unveiling drawing styles through the ages. Let Midjourney astound us by digitally recreating these techniques with its artificial expertise. Realism artist Andrew Loomis, a portrait of a pensive young man, capturing every facial feature in precise detail. Hyperrealism artist Gregory Thielke, an ultra-close-up still life of a butterfly with each tiny scale clearly defined. Impressionism artist Vincent van Gogh. This scene describes a windblown landscape with swirling trees and grass. Expressionism artist Egon Schiele, a portrait of a gaunt man with anxious wide eyes and mouth agape, painted in dark angular strokes. Abstract artist Saul LeWitt. The is scene is overlapping squares and rectangles in black and white. Surrealism artist Salvador Dali, and the scene is melting clocks draped over a barren tree branch. Cubism artist Pablo Picasso. The scene is a fractured portrait of a woman with geometric facial features. Minimalism artist Agnes Martin. The scene is faint pencil lines over a blank white square canvas. Photorealism artist Paul Cadden. The scene is a photorealistic eye with reflections in incredible detail. Gestural artist Laurie Lipton, and the scene is ballet dancer captured mid-pirouette with a flowing skirt. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, please subscribe and share so I can continue creating content that explores the intersection of art history and AI capabilities. The process of selecting styles, researching artists, carefully crafting prompts, iterating with Midjourney and post-production is time-consuming yet a true labor of love. I welcome your comments on which 10 art styles and artists you would like to see featured in future videos. This vast world of creative techniques throughout history is rich for continued AI interpretation and experimentation by us all. The potential is unlimited when the limitless digital meets the mastery of tradition. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more mesmerizing videos that bring past artistry into imaginative modern realms through the magic of AI. Let's continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible when human creativity meets artificial ingenuity. The future of art is an exciting frontier we're just beginning to explore.